Hey everyone, this is Language Chameleon and welcome back to 12 Languages 12 Months. This week I am in Belgrade to learn as much basketball as possible in just 4 days and try to score a 6 out of 10 points from my coaches in an actual match. No pressure, right? Well, let's see. Basketball is more than just a sport in Serbia, it's a way of life. This country has produced some of the best players in the world and has dominated European and global basketball stages for decades.
There they are passing out Dobric for three. That's good.
That's a new experience for this Canada team.
Kako se zoveš?
Draško.
Dragan. Antoni. Drago mi je. Danas šta radimo?
Bravo. Danas ćemo da naučimo osnovne stvari u driblingu. Naučit ćete kako da uradiš ulaz i naučit ćete kako da šutiraš. I posljednji, znači nakon 4 treninga, imat ćemo izazov da odigraš košarku i da daš 6 poena.
Wow, ok. Stvarno teško? Stvarno teško.
Nije teško,
Ali ništa problema.
Ne.
Let's go! Hajdimo! Coach Drasko has agreed to take on the impossible task of turning me into a basketball player in just 4 days. Challenge accepted.
When you do all the details good, for example, your legs are here, you bend your knees, your body's not like this, so you're here in a good balance, and then your elbow goes up and you follow through with the fingers, then the ball is coming in. Not because, hey, I want to score, everybody wants to score, but when you do all the details, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it's gonna go away, okay? So that's the script.
Turns out, my first sparring partners are these young basketball prodigies. They are fast, skilled, and let's just say, they are not going to take it easy on me. Day 2 begins. Oops, sorry.
Quick. Ready? Go. Up. Yeah. Right. Go. Ready? Go.
Ah, come on! Okay. Hey. Day 2 was all about fundamentals, dribbling, passing and shooting. Let's just say I need a lot of practice.
This is day 3, and I could not even get up this morning. I can't feel my legs anymore. But here we are. We still have 2 more days of training before the match, so I can't lazy around. Let's go.
Okay. Close. And then 2, okay. Oh, yeah. By day 3, I was starting to get the hang of things. Or at least I thought so. Day 4 finally arrived. I am so tired, but I won't give up. The training is so intense. Everyone seems to know what they're doing, except me.
So that's when the hole is up, there is no way you're gonna sort like this. Right? So that's the ball. Up, and then down. It's going like this straight. We saw small chances to score. Even if you do this, you see, no way. So elbow up, side, up, elbow up, follow with the feet.
But Serbia isn't just about basketball. It's a country rich in culture and history. I took a break from the court to learn more about the gusle, an ancient one-stringed instrument that tells the stories of Serbia's past. Bravo, bravo. Okay. Wow. Many. So nice. Na, što je ovo? Gusle. Gusle je Serbija?
Gusle, najznačajniji srpski instrument.
Srpski instrument. Most important. Zašto volite da versate ovo instrument?
Zato što su gusle opojno nadahnuće za vrhunsko pregalaštvo i svjesnu žrtvu za sve ljudske nenadmašne vrline i vrijednosti, na kojima se pletu vijenci vjeri i slobodi.
Pokušamo, can we try to play?
Ej, složno društvo, da se veselimo na ovome mjestu gdje šedimo.
I mean, I don't know how to say that, I tell you, but it feels like really it enters your soul. Yes. Like it enters your soul, like you're like, wow, you feel you are powerful now. Yes. Wow, this is hard. Tačko, puno tačko. Puno tačko je. Wow. Hvala, master. Hvala. No, here. Oh, here. Oh, so I need to get it here. Let's go again. Okay. Do you have to jump? I mean, how close? Okay. Push, yeah. Okay, it's game day and I'm ready to... Wait, hang on. Those are not kids? I'm not ready for that. Coach, what's going on?
Man, don't die.
Hey, oni nije deca. Nisu deca. Oni nisu deca. Turns out, coach had one last surprise for me. A match against an adult team. Let's just say I wasn't ready for this.
I wanna roam across the globe, make new connections on the road. Let's visit 12 countries on this planet, yeah. It won't be easy, but I know that I can succeed if I hold hope and immerse myself in every language, yeah. China, Japan and Korea, Indonesia, Kenya and Jordan. I just can't wait to understand. Join me on this language escapade. I'll study all the words on each page. Oh, it's a new adventure every day. 12 languages, 12 months. Please teach me what to do and what to say. Yeah, I can learn your words and your ways. Get ready for the cultural embrace. 12 languages, 12 months.
Tri plosti, jedan poen.
Okay.
Shoot.
Javi.
Shoot. 2 poena.
Oh, dobra.
You score 3 times shoot.
Woo!
You score 2 layups. Dva dvokoraka.
Okay.
2 dvokoraka. Poen. Dao sam ti poen, jedan poen because you made dvokorak. It's okay.
Oh, it's a new adventure every day. 12 languages, 12 months. Please teach me what to do and what to say. Yeah, I can learn your words and your ways. Get ready for a cultural embrace. 12 languages, 12 months. Are you ready for a wild ride? To a linguistic wonderland? It's crazy, but I just wanna understand. Grab a seat and some popcorn. I'm gonna take you back.
Anthony,
Kaži.
tvoj tim ima 34 poena. 34 poena.
34.
Draškov tim ima 24 poena.
So 24. So the other team 24. We won.
Won. That's 1 point for victory. Pogodio si 5 puta, dvokorak, layup, score, 3 dodavanja,
Okay.
pas,
Pazi.
dan. Nema izgubljenih lopti,
Okay.
no turnover, point. So total 10 out of 10.
Woo! First challenge, I got 10 points. So happy.
Veoma dobro,
Hvala, Dimi.
veoma dobro.
I did it. Barely, but I did it.
I just want to say, you are one of the most improved players that we had. So in how many? 4 days that we had, you learned how to shoot, you learned how to pass, you learned basic layup, You learn how to move. Defense was not perfect, but still, you have some other time you will come to learn that stuff. But no, really, it's not like everybody can see it. I'm not lying. So you played amazing.
Thank you. That's it.
I hope you had a good time with us.
But didn't disappoint.
No. More than that. You're gonna have the reward of most improved player in 4 days. Relative.
See you again in Serbia.
Yeah.
I hope we will come
I
back.
hope so. You're more than welcome.
All right, guys. So this is the end of week 4 in Serbia. It was an amazing time. You know, meeting all these guys. They are impressive. They are intimidating. But actually, when you get to know them, they are just people like you and me, and they are friendly. You know, the Serbian people, they love who they are. They love their tradition. They love their country. And if you come here, they will share everything they have with you. So, welcome to Serbia. All right. See you in Germany now. From the court to the culture, this week was unforgettable. See you next time on Language Chameleon.